Hi, besties. So, I'm here for our late night FaceTime. I just got done with my youngest. I say my youngest, he just turned 16, which is crazy. Like, he is old enough to drive. He doesn't drive because I fear for everyone's life for now. But wow, he's 16. So all the kids had a great time. We went to Dave and Buster's, and so they have this thing called I think it's like an eat and play, and so they have like a card, so you can do unlimited playing, and then you can also come with like different meals and stuff, like choices. And so he and a bunch of the kids, they all went, and they just got to play all the games, and it was really fun. And I sat around being like, hey, don't run. I don't know. I'm like an old man, get off my lawn. And then the kids came home, and we did stuff there, but we also decided to do cake and everything here as well. So they had a cake, and they did cookies and cream ice cream, and they made floats, which weirdly made me think of Courtney, because apparently she eats cookies and cream every night. What? I wish. But I was like, no, kids, I don't need any cake because I have Weetabix. And they were like, again, they looked at me like I was crazy and very, very old. But that's fine, because I'm not stressing. I'm just living. So I have half a banana, which I'm going to slice up into my new, oh geez, banana down, into my new Weetabix cup. Because did I go and get a cup just for Weetabix? Yes, I did. And I have my bananas and cream Premier Protein. So just gonna add a little bit into the bottom of this, just a little, like a pool, like kids in a pool. And then, so the pièce de résistance, I did it, kids. Chocolate covered Weetabix, but not just any chocolate covered Weetabix. These, first of all, let me just walk you through it. I put some chocolate chips and a small spoon of chunky peanut butter, and then some cream into a bowl, and then I nuked it for like 30 seconds, but I checked it every 10 seconds. Stirred. I can't, like, I'm so excited for this. So I didn't want to do too much because I want to like let it nestle. I know that Courtney was dunking. She was like Shaq. She was dunking. I think I want to just kind of break it up and then get those pieces of the Weetabix along with the banana. Oh my gosh, it's already kind of like breaking up, but let me see. Oh my goodness. Guys, you gotta try it. This is taking it to the next level. Now, are you gonna eat this every day? I don't know, maybe. I don't know your life. Am I? Probably not every day. I made 3. Oh my goodness. This is hitting the spot. So yeah, we had the birthday party. It was super fun, and he just had like the best time. And it's crazy because in the midst of this, when I asked, he just had Christmas, so it comes after that, and we got him. It gets harder and harder as they get older because you're like, I bought you everything. There's no more new electronics. There's no more new things. And more than anything, this child wants like Roblox cars. He's like, I want that. Like, which is, are your kids also into like Roblox cars? I don't know. So I flew in last night for the last of the planning, wrapped it up, and then the party, and a little bit more, a little more protein, a little more flavor. I fly out tomorrow night. Yeah, back to Baltimore. But that's okay. This is like a super busy month, but next month we have vacation, or I have vacation. We're all going on vacation because it's hubby's birthday. It's my oldest 18th, and we're going to some private islands on a cruise in the Bahamas, and we're going out of Florida. So, you know, I'm just like, stop it. Stop it right now. A lot of you had really funny reactions to the beans and pasta. Suit yourself. I'm not telling you have to. I'm just saying it is delicious. And I've had a lot of people say to me like, oh, why are you using, you know, Splenda, or why are you using, hey, everyone has different bodies. I would never tell you what to do or what works for you or what shouldn't work for you. From like my largest to my smallest, I lost 220 pounds. So like, hey, I know what kind of works for me. And but hey, that's me. I'm just living. I'm not stressing. You do you. If you're, you know, if you do you. But I'm gonna do me, and me is delicious. Okay. You know what's also good about this? Like, one is enough. I mean, could I eat more? Probably. But I think because you add in the chocolate and the peanut butter really hits. But adding in all that, it makes it more decadent and more satiating. Come on, SAT word. And so you really do feel like I had an amazing treat, and the bananas in there. And 30 grams of protein, so that kind of makes you feel a little fuller too. Plus the fiber. Anyway, I love our FaceTimes. You guys are literally my besties. Call me every 5 seconds. And I'm so happy I have a Weetabix cup now. My kids think I'm like crazy. Alright. I will FaceTime you later. I love you. Stay safe. And see you tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. Bye, guys.